Good morning, children. Sairam, welcome to this session. Today we are going to do the textual exercises of lesson number 12 from Zlata's diary. Okay, before we see the textual exercise, let us have a quick summary of that lesson. We already finished this in online. Now we will revise the lesson. Okay, now we'll see the summary. Zlata's diary is set during the Bosnian War between 1992 and 1995. I had explained there was a war called the Bosnian War between the year 1992 and 1995. In it, a teenaged Zlata Filipovic, she is the author of this lesson. You know this. So Zlata Filipovic recorded her experience of living as a child in the war zone. Now we'll see what she has written in her diary. On June 5th, 1992, she has mentioned that there was no electricity and food was getting spoiled. So at one point, they pretty much cooked up everything perishable on an old burning stove and had an unplanned feast because there was no electricity. They whatever cooked the food which was kept in the vegetables, fruits, and all those sweet dishes, what all they kept in the fridge, meat, etc., were getting spoiled. So what they did, they removed everything and cooked and ate. They had an unplanned feast over there because if they leave it in the refrigerator, it will get spoiled. So they, without wasting it, they had a great feast over there. Even at the young age, Zlata realized how even necessities were becoming scarce, causing much worries to the elders. We saw that even coffee, even the last reserves were getting over due to because of the war, and even coffee, even the elders were getting shortage of coffee, tea, etc. On 20 July the same year, Zlata's heart goes out to the many abundant animals in Sarajevo, her hometown. She was gazed out of her window. She reflected on how wars do not spare even the animals. Okay. The same year on August 18th, Zlata is moved by the incredible labor her mother had been putting in lugging water manually to their home. We read that her mother was carrying water. They did not have the taps. The water was not coming, so they used the jugs as shower, isn't it? Now, since washing, cleaning, and bathing all needed to be done with a jug, Slatas felt like the war had in fact brought back the Middle Ages. Okay, October 21st, 1992 was Lata's father's birthday. There was a small celebration for him. We learned that they made a small sweet dish for him. Her friend Maja had let her know that the UNICEF week people were planning to publish a child's diary. So Zata had sent along some pieces to be read at the city assembly. She had just got to know that her diary was one of that had been selected for publication. She was so happy because she was a young girl, teenage girl, and her diary was to be read selected to be read at the city assembly. Okay, so this was the letter diary of her personal diary. It is about the time when there was war in her place. Now we'll see the reference to context. Okay, now let us answer this question. Answer these questions with reference to context. So I will get the report card saying I have finished 5th grade. This implies that you have to select among these. As Lata has passed a 4th grade exams, Lata did well in her exams. She will be promoted without any exams. As we had also, because due to this pandemic, we did not have exams, and you were given the previous term's marks. Same way, she was promoted without any exam. So the third one will be the correct answer. This will be the answer. Okay. So we'll go to the next. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Okay. Even they are not spared by the war. Who are they? We read in that story. They are the pedigree dogs. This is a kind of dogs breed, kind of very good breed of dogs, which is called as a pedigree dogs. In what way are they affected by the war? Dog owners have had to leave their pets in the streets because they cannot feed them anymore. because they did not have food to feed themselves. And as well as for the pet animals, what they had to do is they left the pet animals in the street so that they could find their own food. Okay, so that was the result of the war. Even animals were not spared. Third one, Fipa, you are terrific. Who says this and to whom? Maja, we saw this. Maja is the lady who's working with her teacher Irina. So Maja said this to Zlata. Okay. Why does the speaker say those words? Maja says this upon learning that Zlata writes about the war in her diary. She asked her whether she is writing anything personal or about the war. Then when she told about the war, she took that some parts of her diary to be published in the city assembly, to be read out in the city assembly, and it was published. What happened later? Zlata's diary is selected at the city assembly to be published on UNICEF week. Yes, okay, it was published now. Now let us go to some exercise. Yes, so we have already learned about adverbs, children. Now we'll just revise what is there in your textbook. Okay, we learned there are 3 types of adverbs. Adverbs of time, manner and frequency. So we have to select, we have to underline the words as well as select which type of adverb you know. Adverb of time means it talks about the time. Manner means how, what kind. And frequency means, okay, we'll see the frequency also. Now, when you read the examples, you'll understand this. Okay. The old man walked slowly. Which is the adverb here in this? Okay, adverb is slowly. So, what is it? It is manner. M. Okay, I'm writing it manner. The old man walked slowly. Slowly, underline slowly, it is adverb of manner. The next one, she never reads a book. Underline, which is the adverb? Never. Okay, so it is frequency. Understood? So the old man walks slowly is manner. Slowly, underline slowly, it is manner. She never reads a book. Never is, underline never, that is the adverb. Adverb of frequency. Shall we go to the next sentence? Yes. Okay. Yes. Now next one. Boni rides this cycle carefully. It will be the adverb here, children. Yes, carefully. Yes, you all know. Carefully is the adverb. Which type of adverb it is? It is again manner. Okay, it is manner. She always complains about her maid. Always is what? Again it is frequency. Always is frequency. The next one. Today we will have fruit or for breakfast. What is today? When? When you are asking the time, it is when. So it is time. Adverb of time. Okay. Boni rides the cycle carefully. Underline carefully. It is manner. She always complains about her maid. Always is what? Frequency. Today we will have fruit for breakfast. Today is what? Time. Okay, adverb of time. Shall we go to the next? Yes. Yes. Okay. Father generally goes to office by bus. Okay. What will be the adverb here, children? Generally. Yes, it is close. Now it is yes. Generally, it is again frequency. Okay. Father generally goes to office by generally is frequency. I am going to meet my school friends in the evening. When? Evening. So when you are asking the question when, it was time, adverb of time. Okay. We often think about you. Again, often is frequency. How very frequently you think? Often means we frequently think about. So it is frequency. Okay. Father generally goes to office by bus. Generally, frequency. I am going to meet my school friends in the evening. Evening is time. We often think about you. Often is frequency. Hope you all understood. We have already done this. This is just a revision from that lesson. Okay, shall we go to the next small exercise? Yes. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of the adverbs in the brackets. Okay. My mother paints, in the bracket it is given beautifully me. So what will you write? More beautifully than me. Okay. Tej knits skillfully among all her sisters. So it is among all her sisters. So only one person you explaining. So most skillfully. So stage knits most skillfully among all her sister. When you are comparing two, more you have tried. When you are comparing among many of them, you have tried most. Okay. Of all our relatives, my niece lives far. In the bracket, it is far from my house. So my of all our relatives, my niece lives farthest from my house. I reach my office dash than most of my colleagues. Early. What will you write? Earlier than most of my colleagues. Okay. Mother works dash carefully when she is bathing the baby. Most carefully when she is bathing a baby. Our team played worst of all. Bad will be, superlative will be worse. She smiled more happily than before. So this is the exercise from your textbook. So we have done the exercise. We have done the summary of it. We have done the reference to context. It is very simple lesson. We have done in online. I revised the lesson. I have done the textual exercise. Hope you all understood, children. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care, Sairam.